Ted.
Pag-alagala ito sa TV, siya pa rin yun eh. Yan po ang second runner-up. Second place, Coach Sniper. Second lap. First place, a new champion of 3-point shootout, Mr. Man. Okay, thank you. Mga nanalo sa 3x3, sa 3-point shootout.